Okay, welcome back, welcome back. So today we are going to continue with our bikini bottoms, but first, let's slide this over here. I want to trace this first. This is going to be the lining. Let's see, this way. It could be enough. Yeah, yeah, this width is enough. Okay, so we are going to trace this so we can have it definitely wasn't enough for the lining that we are going to sew on these bikini bottoms. So I wanted to do it on this cutting mat so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just tracing the sides of this bikini bottom, making sure I keep it straight. Okay, I just remembered to put on a flash. Okay, so yeah, so we just tracing around the bikini bottom. Don't stretch it, just trace around it. And let's trace the top of it. And then we can just clean it up with our ruler. Sorry if you can't see the lines. Let's see if I have a marker. But let's trace it first. It's a little lumpy because of the lump, but I just want to just clean it up just a little bit. I don't want it to curve right there. I'm going to trace the line so you can see exactly what I did if you can't see clearly. Right here, use this ruler, kind of curve it out just a little bit. And just straight right here, like so, like that. So, welcome to my channel. I am learning how to use this phone stand. I'm like, right, you put it you put the camera not the long way, but on the sides. Hello, so if somebody wanted to, like turn their camera around, they are able to. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but today, that's how you can see what I'm doing so easily. Okay, now I want to trace it. Let me cut in the lining. So as you can see, I'm cutting the lining, but I added a 1/2 centimeter all the way around. Okay. Put the rulers to the side and put the paper to the side. And this lining right here is swimsuit fabric. This is swimsuit fabric. I guess we can use it right here. And here's our lining. This is our lining. So now we need to pin it and cut it. Okay. Now we are using our fabric scissors. Put these needles to the side and cut our pattern out with the fabric. And you can use a rotary cutter. It's very much needed in using scissors. You see how fast it is with a rotary cutter? Fast and easy. I could have added my half a centimeter right there. Dang it. It'll be okay. I'm always forgetting stuff after the fact. Oh my gosh. So if you get to add your half a centimeter, you can always do it with the fabric. I thought about it after I did it. I can cut another one. Now should I? Since I'll be doing another swimsuit, crochet swimsuit. I need to do white set. It's going to be absolutely fabulous. So if you want to, you can take your fabric marker. This is fine marker, and you can measure up a half a centimeter. I don't know why I thought that you can see what I was doing. So crazy that the camera is not showing what I'm doing. But yeah. Okay, now let's take our rotary cutter, cut this out. All right, so what I wanted to say in the last video, because my mic went out, if you want me to, after I finish this series of crocheting this bottom bikini, if you want me to show you with your own bikini how to crochet a pattern from your own bikini, and that way you can have your own size, because this size is a size medium. I need to write it on this pattern. This is a size medium, but I know everybody is not the same size. Okay, so we have our pattern. This is the front, this is the back. So I did this before finishing the top part right here, because once we do the top part and then we crochet the elastic on, it's kind of hard to, trace it. Yeah, so it'll be like this. It'll look like that. Of course, we are going to pin it. And like that. Okay, so we need to crochet the top. I need to write the size medium. Yeah. Size medium. M for medium. Okay, so now we are going to crochet 2 rows. Okay. Let's move this. Okay, we are going to crochet 2 rows for the top of the bikini right here. And we are just doing 2 double crochet in each row. I do want to kind of bring it in, cinch it in. So on the first row, the beginning of the front, we're gonna do a decrease. So we go in, pull two through, wrap it again, go in, pull through on two, and pull off. And that way, it's gonna minus a few stitches, like 4 stitches from our waistband. So I am going to meet you. Now we can do the other side of the front, so you can see. You can see me do another decrease. Yeah, I made sure my hands was fully moisturized, y'all, because your girl be ashy. I be coming up on here like, girl, now you know you should have moisturized those hands before filming. Okay, so let's do the last decrease. We are actually doing 1 double crochet in each hole, not 2. But when you do a decrease, is 2 double crochets together, meaning 1 double crochet in one hole, the other in the other, that combines together. 1. Now pull through all. You made a decrease, so we are going to do a decrease right here and right here. So I'll meet you back around after we did the first row. Oh, let me show you how you crochet on the chain stitches. So I don't know if you can see this stitch right here. You see that top stitch right there? You go at the top right there. That's it. Or you can just put your crochet needle in like so, like that. Yep. So let's meet each other at the end of this row. I know I was going to meet you on the other end, but I just wanted to show you how I crochet on the top of this excess yarn. So we did our first decrease right here. This is the back. Now we need to do our second decrease. Okay, let's do our second decrease. Oh. That's close up. Close. I guess we can do it close. So I did pull 2 through and wait. So second hole and I pull 2 through and then pull off. So that's the second decrease in the back. Okay, so we are back. We are back. We did 1 row. Now we have to chain up 2 and do the second row. So for this row, we are only going to do 1 single crochet all the way around. So I'll meet you back after I did all of my one single crochet all the way around. Okay. Okay, y'all. I totally forgot. I was supposed to cut the string and start the waist part in the back. You know what? It's okay. You're not gonna be able to see that. You see what I'm saying? I'm always forgetting something after the fact. I didn't need all of that. Nope. Not taking it down. Yeah. I didn't remember in the beginning because the yarn was already attached right here. Okay, so this is the end of this video right here because it's too long already. And we have to put the line in. I want to show you how to sew the lining in. But first we have to crochet the elastic across. Yeah, so let me show you the elastic that I have. This elastic is for shearing on an industrial machine or portable machine. And yeah, so you can have it for the next time when we proceed with this bathing suit. I'm thinking about doing 2 more rows so the width of the waistband can be a little more. That's what I'm thinking about. This is the back. So I'll decide, well, you'll see the next video if I decided to crochet an extra 2 rows. I just want like different variations of this crochet bikini. So peace and blessings. Bye.